In today's fast-paced world, IPTV networks are fast becoming the go-to for digital media streaming. Let's embark on the journey of building your very own IPTV network, starting with the basics. First, you need a reliable internet connection. It's the backbone of your IPTV network. Next, gather essential hardware like servers, ensuring they're optimized for media streaming. Software is key for formatting your media. Choose wisely between various popular suites available. Encoding quality content requires an understanding of codecs. Let's decode it simply. Streamlining your network involves setting up connections right. Maintain efficiency to avoid delays. Choosing the right server platform can make or break your IPTV experience. Here's how to decide. Once the setup is complete, test everything thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. Troubleshooting issues can seem daunting, but identifying common problems is half the battle won. As networks grow, considering expansion options like cloud solutions can streamline operations. Seek professional support from renowned IPTV service providers for expansive solutions. Deploying unique content is essential. Ensure you comply with legal broadcasting standards. Stay updated with the latest developments to keep your IPTV network ahead of the curve. Embrace the endless possibilities IPTV offers both for personal adventures and business expansion. Master building an IPTV network and explore exclusive offers by visiting 2TV Store today.